Hi, I'm River Shapiro. I'm outside. It's snowing outside. Oh my god, look at the snow. Look at that. I have my nice shirt on, my nice shirt. Anyway, yeah, I'm outside. All the plow, shoveling the street. Look at this. It's snowing outside. Look at this. Snowing. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. All the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. In case we don't place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. I'm doing my YouTube vlog. I'm outside. It's snowing. I love the snow. It's winter. My birthday's coming up. I'll be turning 18 years old. It's snowing. Look at that, guys. Have a TikTok. Follow my TikTok at River_Shapiro. And my Instagram, River_Shapiro. Friend me on my Facebook. And yeah, that's snowing. Look at this. It's coming down pretty good. Look at this. People are shoveling the street. Look at that. It is snowing. Look at that. Oh my god. I can hear the plow going by. The plow, it's cold outside. I'm not saying it's not that cold though, but it's really cold though. It's literally cold. But yeah, I'm doing my YouTube vlog. It's snowing. It's coming up pretty hard. It's windy. Look at the snow. Look at this. It's snowing. It's snowing, guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm having fun in the snow. My YouTube vlog. But yeah. Oh my gosh. It's snowing. Coming out pretty good. Look at this. Yeah. So, all right, guys. That's it for today. I'm gonna end this YouTube vlog. I'm gonna upload this. So follow my YouTube. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Subscribe my YouTube channel, and follow my TikTok, my Instagram, and friend me on my Facebook. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. Peace.